Good morning, all. This is Nusha Jayar and Ria Pereira from Center for Health Information Studies and Solutions. And thanks for the opportunity to talk about CHIS and discussing medical coding and its future. Okay. CHIS is formed by a group of healthcare management of professionals having wide range of industry experience. They have 20 plus years of experience in healthcare information management, operations, revenue cycle management in India as well as Middle East and US. CHIS is established with the vision of promoting healthcare management services and excellence, introducing new horizons of career in field of healthcare management. In Kerala, students have no idea about what is medical coding, so CHIS giving awareness of medical coding through seminars in their colleges.
CHIS mission is to establish international level training center to train the healthcare management studies, promote healthcare management career among youngsters. We establish quality business process outsourcing in the healthcare sector and networking with career guidance centers, hospitals, and institutions.
We established CHIS head office at Trivandrum in the year of 2017, and under wing started in the next year 2018 at Thrissur. In the same year, under center we started at Cochin in association with the VPS Lakeshore Hospital, and we have a center inside VPS Lakeshore. Last year, 2019, we started a center in Mahi as a joint venture program by CHIS and Manipal College of Allied Health Professionals.
In the same year, CHIS started medical coding KPO, that is knowledge process outsourcing. We have a separate qualified team for end-to-end RCM service, clean claim submission, and denial management service.
So healthcare industry is ever growing, and very fast growing is healthcare industry. So along with that, they need to maintain essential information about patients. We have hospitals, lot of hospitals in world and lot of patients. Every year, new diseases are coming out. As a result of that, there will be a huge demand for medical coders. Medical coders have great career prospect, and the demand for them grow exponentially along with the experience they gain. So we can assure you that there will be no recession in healthcare industry. So because of the perennial demands, we can also mean that there will be a great salary for medical coders.
We have a brief about the medical coding. As we all know that medical coding is the transformation of healthcare procedures, diagnosis, medical services, and equipments into alphanumerical codes. And the important thing is the medical coder have to ensure that the codes are applied correctly for the medical billing process. The first one is, and the basic of the medical coding is International Classification of Disease. Clinical modification is the 10th revision, that is ICD-10-CM. Is to describe and report the illness, condition, and injury of the patient who require medical service. For example, if a patient comes with diabetes mellitus, we code it as E11.9. And if a patient with type 2 diabetes mellitus with a diabetic nephropathy, we code it as E11.21. That's the difference. And the next one is procedure coding. For procedure coding, we use current procedure terminology, that is CPT code, and healthcare common procedure coding system, that is HIPICS level 2 codes, are applied to the services provided by the physician and other medical providers in the hospital-based outpatient departments, physician office, and other ambulatory settings. For example, biopsy of the mucosal surface, we code it as 40808, and for the external ear, we code it as 69100. And next one is the basic of the medical coding certifications are AHIMA and AAPC. AHIMA, American Health Information Management Associates. They provide certifications of Certified Coding Associates, Certified Coding Specialist, and Certified Coding Specialist Physician-based. And the next one is AAPC, American Academy of Professional Coder. They provide certifications of Certified Professional Coder, Certified Outpatient Coder, Certified Inpatient Coder, and Certified Professional Medical Auditor.
And the basic qualification for the medical coders are life science or medical graduates or diploma holders like BPT, MPT, nursing, pharmacy, microbiology, etc. And the non-life science students also can study medical coding, but they should grab a CPC certificate under AAPC. After that, both the life science and non-life students can work both in India as well as abroad. So we can work in clinics, hospitals, government, insurance companies, doctor's office, and consulting firms. Earlier, Ria discussed about the KPO, so we can work in IT sectors too. Now we can proudly say that CHIS is the #1 medical coding institute in Kerala, the only institute having highest pass percentage in medical coding certification exams conducted by AHIMA and AAPC. And our highest score is 95% and overall pass percentage and score is 90% above. Certified and experienced faculty is our strength.
State-of-art technology adopted for training and multiple practice mock exams are provided for the students who are preparing for the certification exam.
We are also providing 300 plus exam, 1800 plus questions for CPC training. And also we are giving individual training section for those who are seeking CPC certificate.
We proudly inform you that the students who got about more than high score of 95% and overall pass percentage of 95 in the year 2019.
So now the experienced and certified medical coding have great opportunities. We are looking for 20 plus certified and experienced medical coding for Middle East. The job placement will be an immediate effect. And also we are looking for medical coders for Trivandrum, Chennai, Noida, Coimbatore and Mumbai as well. And hotspot is Bangalore. And we can register.
CHIS have an offer for the Metricon 2020 delegates or their friends and relatives. If you are interested to study medical coding at CHIS, we have an offer that register with us during this conference and you will get a 10% discount on the total fee.
And also, thanks for the opportunity to discuss about CHIS. If you have any queries regarding medical coding, CHIS, please visit our CHIS star. We have been arranged fun and informative games in our stall. Visit us, participate in our games and take gift to home. And thank you everyone for listening to us.
Thank you.
All right, so thank you official representatives from CHIS Trivandrum for your wonderful presentation. Thank you, thanks a lot. And CHIS Trivandrum being one of the sponsors and the close associate of 20th Metricon National Conference. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for CHIS Trivandrum? Thank you, thanks a lot for being support for the 20th Metricon National Conference.